Story. One local medical spa is using its success to help minority-owned businesses stay open. Joining us now is the COO of Blue Water Spa in Raleigh, Amaris Balkis. Amaris, great to have you on the program this morning. First, tell us how Blue Water Spa began this campaign in the first place.
Well, thank you so much for having me this morning. I'm excited to be here. So in January, we launched our new campaign, Small Helping Small, to really focus on helping businesses in our community, mainly female and minority-owned businesses. And really that's important to us because statistically we know that those businesses are going to face unique challenges. And so we want to rally around those local businesses and support them and give them all the love that the community has shown us over the last 20 years.
Yeah, so tell us how it works.
Yeah, so we have our January partnership is with Cheney Indian Emporium, and we're so excited for them. We just learned yesterday that they received a James Beard nomination. And our February partner is Rapiculture. So if you go and spend $25 at either of our partners, you can then come to either our Briar Creek location or our North Raleigh location and receive a discount off of any spa service over $100.
Yeah, and you know, Amaris, with so many businesses dealing with worker shortages and inflation, what kind of responses have you been getting for businesses being supported by your company?
Well, the response has just been tremendous. Not only are these businesses just very excited to be seen, but they're just so grateful for all the support they're getting from our community.
And for you, what are some of the challenges that you're facing as you continue to work this process?
Well, some challenges that we face are just the expansion part of it. We're looking to expand it. We'd love to increase our partnership with other local businesses. And so if you're interested in reaching out to us, we would love to connect with you. You can reach us at bluewaterspa.com.
Yeah, of course, I can't let you go until we congratulate you on winning 3 WRAL Voters' Choice Awards this month. What does that mean to you?
Well, we were just thrilled to win 3 awards, not only for Best Medical Spa, but also Best Plastic Surgeon and Best Laser Center and Skincare Center. So, of course, we were thrilled and honored that the community came out and supported us in that. And, of course, we're committed to continuing our excellence and making sure that all of our guests feel like a VIP when they come through our doors.
I want to get back to what you were saying about supporting minority-owned and female-owned businesses, because in this day and age, that is so important. And for a company with your brand, how does it help your brand?
Well, it helps us because we know what it's like to be small, too. We also know, like I said before, we know that the challenges that they're going to face are going to be unique, and everybody starts somewhere. And we were small at one time, and the community has supported us so much over the last 20 years, and we just really want to spread that love and share that support to other businesses in our area. That
is such a good point. You did it just a little while ago, but tell us how people can get more information about your medical spa and your campaign to support local businesses.
Yeah, sure. The best way is to go to our website at bluewaterspa.com, and all the information will be there.
Amaris Balkis with Blue Water Spa. We thank you so much for your time, and congratulations again.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ken. Thank you so much.
Story.